Have you ever wondered why some people completely change their lives? They seem unstoppable, full of energy, moving forward with confidence, while others stay stuck, repeating the same story every single day. The truth is, life doesn't change by accident or by luck. It changes when you follow certain rules with discipline and focus. Today, I will share with you 3 powerful rules that can transform everything. The first rule is this: control your mind every single day. Your mind is like a garden that needs care and attention always. If you don't protect it, weeds of negativity will grow automatically. Positive thoughts are the seeds that grow into strong success. Negative thoughts are weeds that slowly destroy your inner strength. Your future depends on which seeds you decide to plant daily. When you say, "I can't do this," your brain believes it. When you say, "I can do this," your brain creates new energy. Your words and thoughts are shaping your destiny every single moment. This is not only motivation, but also English learning practice. Take the word mindset, which means your way of thinking. Repeat after me. I will develop a positive mindset today. The second rule is this: take consistent action without giving up. Dreams without action are like cars without fuel, they don't move. Small daily steps are always stronger than big efforts taken rarely. Think about English learning as an example of this principle. If you learn one new word every day, your vocabulary grows. After 1 year, you will know 365 powerful new words. But if you wait for the perfect time to learn, you lose. Your progress will stop, your confidence will weaken, and growth disappears. The phrase "step by step" means slow but steady progress forward. Consistency creates miracles that motivation alone can never achieve. When you act daily, your habits shape your future automatically. Even the smallest effort builds power when repeated again and again. Now let's connect the first 2 rules together clearly. When you control your mind, you keep your focus positive. When you act consistently, you move closer to your dream. But still, something important is missing from this formula. Without the third rule, your journey will always feel incomplete. With it, you create unstoppable power and long-term transformation. The third rule is this: surround yourself with the right people. Your environment is always stronger than your willpower every time. Negative people will pull you down no matter how strong. Positive people lift you up and give you new courage. Their energy becomes your energy. Their motivation becomes your fuel. That is why your company decides how far you will go. There is a beautiful English phrase that explains this clearly. Birds of a feather flock together, meaning similar people stay together. If you want success, then stay around successful, focused people. Think about English practice in this same simple way. If your friends practice English with you, you grow faster. But if they laugh at your mistakes, you lose confidence. Your environment works like soil for a growing plant. Good soil makes the plant healthy, strong, and full of life. Bad soil weakens the plant until it stops growing completely. So choose your environment with wisdom and careful attention. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your dreams. They will keep your mindset strong and your actions consistent. Now see how the 3 rules connect perfectly with each other. The first rule gives you the right thoughts and beliefs. The second rule gives you action and unstoppable daily effort. The third rule gives you people who push you forward. Together, these 3 rules create real and lasting transformation. Without them, life remains the same, filled with frustration and regret. Let's connect these rules again with English learning clearly. When you control your mind, you believe, "I can speak English." When you act consistently, you learn new words every day. When you surround yourself with English speakers, you grow faster daily. Your confidence increases, your fluency improves, and learning becomes fun. That is how growth in language and life go together. Remember, change doesn't happen in one single day or week. But with these 3 rules, change becomes permanent and powerful. Your life will not just improve, it will completely transform. So now you must ask yourself an honest question. Will you only listen to these words and then forget? Or will you practice these rules and change your future? Knowing is never enough because only action creates real results. Your results will not only help you, they will inspire others. You can become the reason someone else believes in change. Now the power is in your hands here in this moment. Control your mind and fill it with positive, powerful thoughts. Take consistent action and move step by step every day. And finally, surround yourself with the right people always. Together, these 3 rules will shape your destiny forever. And while they do, your English will grow stronger too.